Digital fasting, often referred to as a digital detox, represents a deliberate and temporary reduction or complete cessation of engaging with digital devices and online platforms. This practice has emerged as a professional recommendation in response to the growing understanding of how pervasive digital connectivity impacts human well being. It also impacts the cognitive function and social interaction. It is not merely about disconnecting, but also about fostering a more intentional and healthier relationship with technology. The constant bombardment of notifications, the pressure of maintaining an online presence, and the endless scroll through social media feeds can lead to a state of chronic low level stress as well as anxiety. Research indicates that excessive screen time is associated with increased levels of psychological distress, diminished attention spans, and disruptions to natural sleep patterns due to blue light exposure. Furthermore, the pervasive fear of missing out, or FOMO, can exacerbate feelings of inadequacy and isolation, even while supposedly connecting to a vast digital network. Digital fasting aims to counteract these detrimental effects by providing a crucial period of respite. The recommendation for digital fasting is grounded in several observable benefits. Firstly, it often leads to a significant improvement in focus as well as concentration. When individuals are not constantly interrupted by alerts or the urge to check their devices, their minds are freed to engage more deeply with tasks at hand, whether professional or personal. This enhanced cognitive capacity can translate into greater productivity and creativity. Secondly, a digital detox can subsequently reduce stress and anxiety levels. The psychological burden of constant availability and comparison with curated online lives is lifted, allowing for a sense of calm and mental clarity. Individuals often report feeling more relaxed and less overwhelmed after periods of digital disengagement. Beyond individual benefits, digital fasting can also significantly enhance interpersonal relationships in a world where face to face interactions are frequently interrupted by digital distractions. Consciously setting aside devices encourages more attentive and meaningful engagement. For instance, consider a scenario where a family decides to implement a no phones at the dinner table rule. Instead of fragmented conversations interspersed with glances at screens, this simple digital fast allows for uninterrupted dialogue, active listening, and a deeper connection among the family members, truly fostering present moments. This is a practical application of digital fasting that yields immediate and tangible social benefits. However, it is important to approach digital fasting with a professional and balanced perspective, acknowledging that technology is an integral part of modern life for many and provides significant benefits for communication, work, and learning. The goal is not to demonize technology, but to cultivate mindful usage. Complete, extended disconnections might not be feasible or desirable for everyone, particularly for those whose professions heavily rely on digital tools or for maintaining crucial long distance connections. Therefore, intermittent digital fasting, where specific periods of reduced or no digital use are planned, is often a more sustainable and practical approach. This could involve designating certain hours of the day as tech free, taking digital breaks during weekends, or committing to device free periods during holidays. In essence, digital fasting is recommended as a strategic tool for digital well being. It encourages individuals to step back, re-evaluate their digital habits, and reclaim control over their time and attention. By intentionally creating space away from screens, one can cultivate improved mental health, sharpen focus, deepen real world connections, and ultimately achieve a more balanced as well as fulfilling life in an increasingly connected world. Thank you very much for your time.